Good day, ma'am. My name is Donna Belvida Castillo, and this is my video demonstration. And my topic is all about the ordinal numbers from first to 100. And this is the objectives. At the end of the lesson, the pupil should be able to arrange the first, second, third up to 100 objects in a given set. And read and write the concept or ordinal numbers and identifies ordinal number from first to 100 with emphasis on the 21 to 100. So now let's move on to our topic. So now class, let's begin to our prayer. Let us all stand for our prayer. Let us pray. Okay, now good afternoon class. Who is absent today? Okay, very good. So now, we had already discussing about fraction. Before we move on to the next topic, let us have recall of what are the fractions. Anyone? Okay, very good. And now, fraction has two parts. What are the two parts of fraction? Okay, very good class. Give me one example of fraction. Very good. And now, children, I will call 10 of you and you will stand here in front of the class. You will be lined by your height. I understand, class? Okay. You can guess now the exact word. Yes, Ava. Okay, very good. Ava, you are correct. We call them ordinal numbers. But before we begin our discussion, let me first give you the objectives of our lesson so that you can use them as a guide as we go on with this topic. Okay, class, read the objectives of our lesson today. Okay, class, read the objectives. At the end. Okay, arrange the in a given set. So read and write of ordinal numbers. Identifies ordinal numbers from first to 100 with from emphasis on the 21 to 100. Okay, very good class. So now class, look at this paper in the board. So how many animals in the set? Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 animals. So, now, we have an activity to do. So now class, which animals is the fourth? So, the animals is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth is tiger. Very good. Which animals is the seventh? Yes? Okay, the seventh is horse. And second, lion. The sixth. Okay, very good. The sixth is sheep. The ninth. Okay, the ninth is turkey. Very good. Which animals is the first? Okay, very good. The first is monkey. The third. Okay, rabbit. Very good. And the tenth. Okay, the tenth is cow. Very good. And the eighth is goat. And the fifth is very good, giraffe. Oh class, how many animals in the set? Okay, very good. 10 animals. How we're able to answer all the activity? Okay, very good. And now, we are going to proceed to the discussion of our lesson today. What is ordinal number? Tell us. Anyone? Okay, very good. How do we read and write the symbols of ordinal numbers? Okay, very good class. As we can see of our activity earlier, it's easy to understand on how to know the ordinal numbers. So what are the ordinal numbers from 1st to 100? Anyone? Okay, very good. So ordinal numbers are statistics that are ordered in some way based on where they fall on a scale, and they cannot be used to indicate superiority. On the other hand, ordinal numbers are used to determine the rank or position of any object or person. We write ordinal numbers using numbers as prefixes and adjective as suffixes. So let us understand the difference with the help of an example. So okay class, read the example. Okay. Which English alphabet is 12 from the beginning? What is the 12 alphabet in the beginning? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So the alphabetical that is 12 from the beginning is L. Very good. So next example. Kim, Kitty, Kia, and Kaina are sitting in the line in alphabetical order. So what is the position of Kia from the beginning? Okay, very good. So third compensation, which are the 4th and 10th letters? Okay, very good. And now, how do you write 51 in ordinal numbers? Okay, 51st. So remember class that numbers that are used to represent the rank or position of an object or a person are known as ordinal numbers. They are also referred to as positioning or ranking numbers. Do you have any question or clarification regarding the topic of our lesson today? Okay, very good. So now class, get your paper and answer this. So, okay, now I give you 2 minutes to answer this. Okay class, are you done? Okay, atin ang sagutan ang ating gawain. So, write the ordinal number indicated by the color object. So, number 1, what is the color object? What is position to all the ordinal numbers? So, 1, 2, 3. So, she is second. So, number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, 4. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. Very good, class. So now, class, in the word magnificent, we need to find the 3rd, 5th, and 7th letter. So, M is a, okay, very good, first, and the A is second, and the G is third, and the N is fourth, and the I is 6, and the F is, okay, 7, and the I again is 8, and the C is 9, and the E is 10, and the N is 11, and the T is 12. So class, you can see above the table that the word magnificent, also the 3rd, 5th, and the 7th letters are, the 3rd letter is G, and the 5th letter is I, and the 7th letter is L. Okay, very good class. So now we have an assignment. You are going to answer this in your home. So we said, write the missing ordinal number in the following. Okay, do you understand class? Okay, goodbye. Okay. Goodbye, class.